So this is buri. Buri is from a tuber that I'm still asking around, interviewing to know the particular tuber that is extracted from. So this is dried chili. This is parboiled rice, our local rice. This is pearl millet, koza, and this is dori. Dori is from dawa 3. So the locust beans is actually from these foods. Is a dry food in a powder. So that's the powder used for porridge and for cookies. Yeah. So this is peanut powder, a process like a lot of spices are added to it so that you take it alongside other meals. This is dawa. This is lansa. Lansa is called sword beans, Togo Canavalia something. And this is red millet. This is pumporentia or gangare. This is shuwaka. These are all leafy greens that are used for soups and stews and herbs. This is actually a medicine and equally a soup. This is vapum. Vapum is from a tree pod that is also used for soups. Then we have atabla here. Atabla is cassava leaves essentially. We have two types of cassava. We have the white one and the red one. I understand the white is poisonous, so the red one is what is edible. So this is an air-dried cassava leaves used for soups. This is banzorugu. Banzorugu is a plant that is like oregano, like the smell is like oregano, used as a herb and also a leafy green for soups. This is banzoba. So the difference is banzorugu and then banzoba. When you don't know, names are very similar. And this is salomvao or salomvomocho. It's a wild edible. It grows during the rainy season. So that's it. This is monsi. Monsi is from the stalks of the red millet, which is used to change the color of meals. When you soak it, then you add it to your porridge. It gives it that color, that I don't know, brown rustic color. So this is baobab leaves. That is also air dry, so you can still see the green nature of it. When you dry it in the sun, under the sun, it wears off the green. So this is sun-dried baobab leaves. This is still the cassava leaves, and this is bra. Bra is like canned leaves, a traditional green or vegetable. This is still the vapum. And this is biaba. Biaba is also a plant that is edible and equally a medicine. I mentioned banzorugu, but I forgot to mention that this is solely a herb. It's a medicine that is used to treat a certain ailment. But the fruits are also very edible. I don't have the fruits right now, but I have the leaves, which is essentially a herb. And then this is still this, that is the canned leaves. This is sapirwa. Sapirwa is also a wild green that I collected and then dried. This is dried spring onions. You see, some call it green onions. The green onions, you dry it. It's processed in a way, and it has this aroma, this flavor. When you add it to your local meals, gosh, you're going to want to try something. This is kapok seeds. So from the cotton tree, we have the pod, and in it we have these tiny black seeds that are also used to spice meals, to add flavor to meals, and then we call it canton. Yeah, so that's I'm still collecting. I had more than this, but some of them over time just got spoiled and then I had to discard them. And I'm still researching and collecting. Thank you.